Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply presets to your project on the Alight Motion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at the 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the project button at the top of the screen and select the project from the your project section. So tap on the relevant one, and after that you should select the one of the elements, and here you have the presets option in the third row down below. There's the third option in the third row, so tap on it. Here you have the preset preview. You have two presets. Tap on the relevant one. Here you can see how it looks like, and if you want to apply, click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, it has been applied. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.